Hello everybody, Max here, welcome back in another video. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly step by step how to purchase products on the new platform called CNShopper. So as you have probably seen before, we used to have many other platforms like Panda Buy, CNFund. Those ones are actually gone at this point, but now we have the new platform called the CNShopper. Not only this one is the faster one, cheaper and has a lot of potential in here, but also it's new, so they also offer a lot of coupons. Now, I will show you exactly step by step how to purchase a product. In the link down in the description, you have a sign up link, so please do sign up to the CNShopper, create an account and start ordering the item. So guys, here we are currently on the CNShopper page. As you can see, I have already created the account, and now let's say I want to order this exact item. This one is the salmon. Let's put the link right over here into the search tab like this, and let's click on search. As you can see, this item is being searched for right now, and as you can see, this is how it all looks like. Obviously, you've got many different variants of these shoes to choose from. I usually buy the regular white one because I like this one the most, and I picked my size, which is 24.5 European. As you can see in here, you also have the information of how many is left in the stock. So that's also one thing to keep in mind as well when purchasing the product. And the next one is that this shipping fee is only the domestic one. How the CNShopper works is basically purchasing the products on their platform, and they deliver the items in the warehouse in China. You get to see the pictures, the quality check pictures of that item, and you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. If not, they send you the money back. If yes, you decide to ship the items to yourself, then you ship the item to yourself using the international size is chosen, color is chosen. Let's proceed to the checkout. As you can see exactly what I have explained to you, this is how it all looks like. And now we can proceed to the checkout. So let's submit the order, and we can pay using the balance or maybe any different payment method we have here. As you can see, we have hundreds of different payment methods, maybe not hundred, a quite fair amount of the payment methods here. Let's pay immediately, and as you can see, it has been successfully paid. So folks, this is pretty much it on how to order your first item using the CNShopper. In the next video, once the package comes to me to the warehouse first, I will show you how to submit the international shipping. And once the package comes, I will do the full unboxing of my haul. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see now, when I go over to my dashboard and head over to the orders, I will see all of my ordered items in here. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding shipping on the CNShopper, please let me know in the comments. I will answer you. And see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.